Hi guys, I'm back with another gel polish mini. So Nail Reserve sent me over 7 polishes. Now this first one, I had the wrong bottle. It's still the same color, Dare to Shine from Nail Reserve. This is a highly concentrated silver glitter polish. Again, this is from Nail Reserve LA. The next color is Starstruck, which is a nice light or cream purple, really pretty. As well, and the swatches were swatched with base coat, 2 coats of color, and Nail Reserve's top coat. The next color that I have is Lotus, which is a vibrant or like a bright pink. Really pretty as well. I like a good pink. Lately I've been loving pinks, even though blue's my favorite color. The next color is Misty, which is a off-white. It almost looks, I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but it kind of looks beige or like a tan, but it is an off-white color. Really nice. I do like that color. In fact, I end up using that color. The next one is, and I kind of got out of frame just a little bit there. This color is Pinky Pink, which is a cream pink color. The next one is Sunfall, which reminds me of an autumn orange. Really nice color as well. Reminds me of a pumpkin orange. And then the last color in the set is Tarot Card, which is a brown. Pretty, reminds me of fall. So I can see in the fall me using Sunfall and Tarot Card together. It's nice dark brown as well. Really nice colors. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this application. I do have on 1 coat of UNT Peel Off Base Coat on top of my Builder Gel. And I've already applied 1 thin coat of Nail Reserve's the base and cured for 30 seconds. Nail Reserve's polishes are vegan and cruelty free, meaning they're not tested on animals. And so guys, we're just going to go ahead and get into this application. But before I go, their polishes are a 30-second cure in an LED lamp. And Nail Reserve, they have the option, they have a VIP program where it's $29 a month. You pay $29 a month and you get a $29 credit. It comes with free shipping, and you get the purchase the polishes for 50% off, and you get exclusive access to sales, and then oftentimes you can get an extra discount on top of your 50% off. If you don't want to go that route, because that's a huge commitment, $29 a month, you know, depending upon what your budget is, they do have a pay as you go option. With the pay as you go option, you have the you can use my discount code Curly Crite, and that will give you 50% off of your purchase, and that is an affiliate discount code. So yeah, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. after applying a layer of the no wipe top coat, I am going to cure my nails for 30 seconds. And this color alone is very pretty, very neutral color. Again, it looks tan when I look at it on film, but it is an off-white color. And so here are the nails all top coated, nice and shiny, nice and shiny. And so I'm gonna go in, I decided to, because y'all know I don't like plain nails, to go in with some nail foils. So I have some floral nail foils. I believe this is set number 8 from iGel Beauty. I decided to use the little flowers in the lower left hand corner there. And so this is a transparent nail foil, and so I'm just chopping off, or cutting off, not chopping, but cutting off 2 pieces of the nail foil that I want to use. I'm just going to apply that nail foil to 2 fingers. And so I'm also going to use a lint-free wipe and alcohol, or an alcohol wipe, and wipe the back of that foil off just to remove any oils or anything like that from the back of that foil from touching it. And so I'm just rubbing that off. I've seen a long time ago, years ago, where people were doing this just to, I guess, hopefully help the foil adhere to the nail. And so I'm going in with Glitz Accessories and Such nail transfer foil gel, and this does require a 60-second cure and an LED lamp. And so the reason why I top coated is because I wanted a smooth surface, plus these are 2 different gel polishes, and I did not want any of the tacky layer from the color getting inside of my transfer gel. So I always like to top coat the nails first, especially when I'm dealing with gel polish. Dip powder not so much, but gel polish, yeah. And so I'm applying that on the nail. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds off camera, and I'm just going to stretch that foil out in between both fingers, and I'm using a silicone tool to rub the crap out of that foil in hopes to fully transfer the image. And so you want to take your time with this, and again, this video is sped up, so you just want to take what you have. Sometimes I will use the end of a metal cuticle tool just to see if that works better. Sometimes it does, and so that's what I'm doing here, just to get that image transferred as good as possible on the nail. And so I'm going to repeat that for my ring finger. Once I do that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply another layer of top coat and cure for 30 seconds. So after I applied top coat and cured my nails, I then go in and apply a drop of actual nail glue to the other fingers that don't have the foil, and added like some clear rhinestones, and I did that off camera. And so coming up is the finished look. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil and massage that in. And so if you found value, guys, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It is free in 2023. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.